lecture, we are going to see the next SEO factor, that is file size. In 2016 research data, we are dealing with the unzipped file sizes of web pages. So we cannot compare the previous year's result with this one directly. Before having a look at the file size graph, see the correlation factor. It has come down from 14% to 0, which means Google has started to neglect this as a SEO factor. It's just a mere coincidence that higher ranking results in desktop have higher file sizes of around 150 kilobytes in average, whereas higher ranking results in mobile have lower file sizes of around 93 kilobytes in average. So, even if your file size increases, have an eye on your site speed. In 2017, blogs and websites are writing 1500 to 2000 words longer articles compared to 2014 or 15, and that's why the file size has increased a bit. In the next lecture, let's see one of the most important SEO factor, that is page speed.